Welcome to the WMS360 How-To series. Today we'll show you how to create a catalog. Start by clicking Add Catalog in the sidebar. You'll see the Catalog Create page with several tabs to fill in. On the Summary tab, enter your catalog name. Then select the category, condition, brand, department, season, and promotion from the drop-down menus. You can also add a description using the rich text editor. Next, move to Product Info. Switch to Variable Product and choose your variation type, like size. Select the sizes you need, such as W26, W28, and W29. Enter your SKU shortcode, then click Add another variation if needed. On the Specifications tab, fill in the item-specific details. Enter the brand, country of origin, department, type, material, and any other relevant fields. Now set your pricing. Enter the sale price, cost price, RRP, and VAT percentage. For shipping, select your shipping profile, enter the unit weight, country, HS code, dimensions, and package details. In the image gallery, click Add Image to upload your product photos. You can add up to 12 images. Drag to rearrange them as needed. Once your product is created, you'll see the Variations table. Here you can review the generated SKUs, prices, and package settings for each size. Click Update Only WMS to save. You'll see a success message confirming your catalog has been added. From here, you can add inventory, go back to the catalog, or stay on the page. That's it! Your new catalog is now live in the active catalog list, ready to manage.